Stock investing for beginners. Last week, over the past 5 days, from June 2nd to June 6th, 5 trading days, I made over 2,400. So it's about 500 a day, and only 1 to 3 hours a day, 5 days a week. I could do it anywhere around the world, travel around the world. So I'm gonna tell you 5 stocks that's gonna be reporting earnings this week, and which stocks could go up and which stocks could go down, and what happened last week stock market, and which stocks were doing really great last week. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. If you have any question, comment down below. I will try to answer as many comments as possible. And S&P 500, it was up 1.03% on Friday. And 5 days, it's up 1.76%. So it's up trend market. Year to date, look at this. It's finally positive 2.25%. It used to be down 10%, over 10%. Now up 2.25%. So that's why never miss 10 best trading days. So if you miss 10 best trading days in any year, you are missing a lot. Okay, 5 years. Let's look at 5 years. 97.3% S&P 500. And why is it important? We're gonna look at stocks, individual stocks. See, compare how they perform over the past 5 years. If they perform better than S&P 500, we could think about those stocks and we could put it in our watch list, because this could be great companies, right? So we only want to pick individual stocks that beat S&P 500. Nasdaq, it was up 1.2% Friday. 5 days 2.45%. Year to date 1.29%. It was down more than 10%, 15%. So it's almost a crash. Then, hey, look at this, positive, finally positive. Never miss 10 best trading days in any year. 5 year, 100%, over 100%. Yeah, Nasdaq usually goes down more than S&P 500, and also it goes up more than S&P 500. So that's why 5 years Nasdaq usually beat S&P 500. So this is usually technology company. S&P 500, the best 500 companies listed on US stock exchanges. Dow Jones 1.05%, 1 day. 5 days is a trend. Look at it. What year to date is up 0.7%. 5 year 67.01%. So last week Broadcom reported it was down 5%. 5% because it was up over the past 5 days. Look at this, that it went down. Once the stock went up to earnings day, usually even if it beat and raised and spectacular earnings support, it may not jump a lot. But if it misses a little bit of expectations, guidance, whatever, it could go down. So it went down 5%. So it really doesn't matter. So I traded AVGO using advanced option. So I still made money. Look at this. Look at right here. About $200. Right, $200. Not bad within 1 day. So what happened last week? Last week, manufacturing PMI was down, and ISM manufacturing met expectations, and factory orders, it was down. Of course, the import went down because of high tariff. American factories, they could not order supplies from China to make materials manufactured here. So the factory was down. Job openings up. Yeah, ADBE employment was down. I don't know why. What is it typo? It's expected to be 110,000, now 37,000. So stock market. Last week it was 60,000. But jobless claims, it was up 247,000. More people lost their job. But most importantly, employment report was out 139,000. So stock market went up. And President Trump said after the call with China. You know what, China, they agreed to restart negotiation again. And China already realized there are export restrictions on rare earth. Um, so which is good for US EV industry. Last week, CrowdStrike, it was down, then it recovered a bit. Yeah. MongoDB, it was up to 70.21%. Lululemon, it was down because of tariff. So their annual forecast, they lower the forecast because of tariffs. So 19.8%. So this is like maybe overreaction, or it may recover, or depending on the stock market, right? Or it may stay flat or go down a little bit more. But at the most likely, it may recover more once all tariffs they negotiated, and let's say we only have 15% tariff, then this could go up because there are more certainty, right? So this could just be temporary. So what's going to happen this coming week? This coming week, could CPI. So Tuesday stock market could go down a little bit. Wednesday, yeah, depending on data, if data is bad, yeah, because of tariff, inflation rose, the stock market may go down a little bit, but stock market want to go up. They don't want to go down. So that's why I say only a little bit. Thursday, PPI, yeah, if it's better than expected, stock market could continue to go up. If it's worse than expected, go down a little bit. So Wednesday, Thursday, stock market could move, and Tuesday move a little bit because people got nervous. And Friday, consumer sentiment, I think it may get better. That's what I think. If it's bad, if it's worse, the stock market may not go down a lot because they want to go up. Stock markets want to go up. So my bet is on the upside, but I think it's overbought right now. So I may not move lots of move. I may not buy. I only bought a lot when it was oversold. And yeah. Stock number 5 that's gonna be reported on this week. VinFast, year to date is down 18.57%. Look at this, over the past 5 years, it's down 77%. It used to be 68 over 68. I used put option to profit when it crashed. I did not expect it to go down below $10. Look at this. So that's what never stick with the bad companies. Okay, this is an EV company in Vietnam. Vietnam is a small market. The company just started in 2015, so it's only 10 years. Public company, not even 5 years yet. So because it doesn't beat S&P 500 over the past 5 years, I'm not interested. I don't even need to look at the financial statement if it doesn't meet my first criteria. Stock number 4, GameStop, down 3.52% year to date. Over the past 5 years, it beat S&P 500, but it's not a good company. I know it. Okay, it has been around for at least 10 years. Yes, it meets my second criteria. The third criteria, it has been a public company for at least 5 years. Yes, but I don't like this business. This business is declining. Nobody's wants to buy games to play. They play online. Financial statement not good. So no, I'm not gonna buy this, even though it beat S&P 500. Of course, this is not financial advice. You can buy, you can sell, you can hold whatever you like after doing due diligence. Play. Oh, this is Dave & Buster Entertainment. It's a restaurant chain with arcade machines. You can play and you can eat at the same time. Down 31.24%. 5 years, it doesn't beat S&P 500. Hey, I used to buy that. I sold it at the top. Then yeah, I'm not gonna buy it again because I don't like restaurant business. And it doesn't beat S&P 500. Stock number 2, company number 2, 4.81% up. Oracle, 5 years, it beat S&P 500. Yes, it has been around for at least 10 years. Yes, since 1977. And has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Yes, absolutely. And do I like this business? Maybe, but I'm not familiar with this business, so I'm not going to buy it. But if you're familiar with business, you can keep studying financial statement. If you like it, you can make your own decisions. And stock number 1, Adobe. Year to date down 5.46%. It has been down for some time. I think it's time for Adobe to go up. Okay, 5 year it doesn't beat S&P 500, but it used to be S&P 500. Okay, so this is an exception. I know that this is a great company, and the reason why it doesn't beat S&P 500 is right now is because people are worried about AI. When AI comes alive, hey, nobody's gonna use Adobe to do design. So that's why they are worried. It has been around for at least 10 years, yes, and it has been a public company for at least 5 years, yes. I like this business. It's very sticky. Creative students graduate, they use this one, and lots of companies they use this Adobe software as well, and they are innovative as well. May not be as fast as we would like, and I like the financial statement. Yeah, so it's either a hold or a buy for me. Okay, so I may just use advanced option to see maybe call options. If it's gonna go up, yeah, we just gonna take profit. I like to see it jump after earnings for maybe once or twice before putting on my position, full position. So what do you think? Which stock do you like the most? Comment down below. If you like to know more about stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option, you can go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto, go to playlist. If you want to learn more, the link gonna be in the YouTube video description and comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.